Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno pickle Indian style. Chop jalapenos and remove stems, then score each pepper for better salt penetration. Mix vinegar, oil, turmeric, and sugar into a warm brine and add toasted seeds for aroma. Pack peppers tightly in a sterilized jar, pour hot brine over them, and seal. Let flavors meld for at least 3 days to develop complexity and tang. Rinse and pat peppers dry, then slice or score according to your heat preference and texture goals. Salt the jalapenos lightly and let them sit to draw out moisture, which concentrates flavor and improves brine absorption. While peppers rest, prepare your brine by heating oil, vinegar, turmeric, and sugar, then add toasted spices. Packing hot brine over peppers helps preserve freshness and speeds flavor infusion. Warm oil and temper mustard, fenugreek, and cumin until fragrant to unlock deep spice flavors. Add turmeric and red chili for color and subtle heat balance, then pour in vinegar and a touch of sugar to create a bright, balanced brine. Simmer briefly to marry tastes, then cool slightly before pouring over packed peppers. This method ensures aromatic complexity and a shelf-stable, punchy pickle you can enjoy with meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.